Hi, I am Harish Goteti, and welcome back to my channel Practice Excellence, the only channel that you need to grow your accounting practice. Today, we are going to talk about a very interesting topic, which is really the core to be able to measure your success of your accounting practice. It is nothing but accounting from KPI examples. So I'm going to show you some examples of accounting firm KPIs today. So these are simple metrics that will help you to 10x your profits. So first, let's understand what is a KPI. KPI is nothing but a quantifiable measure of performance over time for a specific activity or a department. Doesn't matter. I prefer it to be an activity, so you should be able to measure an activity that your accounting firm performs over a period of time. So that's a KPI. So today I'm going to give you three examples that really help a lot of my accounting firm clients to grow their accounting practice really well. So the three key KPIs that I suggest for any accounting firm are revenue per employee, the referral percentage, and net promoter score. So let's talk about revenue per employee. So it's nothing but how much are you generating, how much revenue are you making for each employee. The goal of your practice, there's a formula for it. It's really the net revenue. It's really the net revenue divided by the average salary of your employees, or average cost for your employees, or average number of employees. So there are multiple ways of calculating it, but I'll explain that in detail later. But revenue per employee is nothing but the goal of your practice should be always to increase the revenue per employee. And how can you do that? You can do it with different strategies and tactics, which is part of my practice excellence framework. Really, you can leverage technology, you can leverage outsourcing, and there are multiple ways to do that. But I have found a proven model that worked for multiple accounting firms. If you haven't watched the video, the Practice Excellence Framework, I strongly recommend you do that, so that I explain my entire framework on how you can achieve, the practice excellence for your accounting firm. So the second metric is a referral percentage. Every practice must have a referral system that tracks referrals each month. So every month we should be able to send a survey or ask people to refer someone, and we should be able to track those referrals. So net promoter score. So the third one is net promoter score. So this is pretty popular in the tech industry, the SaaS products and things like that. But I strongly recommend we can to use this metric in your accounting firm. It's basically you have a form, you have a survey which you send out, and it says how likely are you to. The main question is how likely are you to recommend your business. Your, let's say it's a product or it's a business. In our case, it's a accounting firm. How likely are you to refer your accounting firm name to your friends, and then they go ahead and put a rating. So different industries have different benchmarks. So we have to, once you go through this process with all your clients, we have to check where you are with the industry standard and benchmark. And there are multiple ways to improve it, and that's something we have to work on to improve. So I hope these three you're tracking these three metrics. If not, and if not, please start tracking. And if you need help to implement your my practice excellence framework or any of these key metrics, do reach out to me. And then we can go ahead and discuss how to set up these metrics for your accounting practice. I hope this video is useful. Please do subscribe to this channel, because I'm going to share a lot of content that will help your practice grow, and and make it really successful and profitable and fun working on it. Thank you for watching, and take care.